Welcome to our YouTube channel, Stoic Apex. Rejection, one of life's toughest situations, actually turns into an opportunity for growth with Stoic philosophy. Rejection, seen as an opportunity to discover and develop our inner strength, is thoroughly explored on the Stoic Apex channel. We focus on understanding, managing, and transforming the power of rejection. By using Stoic principles, you can learn how to solidify rejection experiences on a stronger mental foundation and support your personal development. We cover topics such as developing strategies for coping with rejection, controlling emotional responses, and cultivating a positive attitude. Guided by the fundamental principles of Stoicism, we provide guidance on how to turn rejection experiences into opportunities for personal growth and learning. By subscribing to our Stoic Apex channel, you too can discover the power of coping with rejection and begin supporting your personal development. Remember, rejection is not an end, but rather a beginning. Discover your inner strength and make your life more meaningful with the guidance of Stoic philosophy. We will always be here with new content on our channel. By delving into the depths of Stoic philosophy, we will do our best to support you in living a more balanced and peaceful life. If you're ready, let's get started. Understanding the power of rejection. From the perspective of Stoic philosophy, rejection is an opportunity for personal development. Stoicism highlights the positive aspects of rejection, enabling us to approach this experience as a lesson. Rejection can assist us in cultivating a strong mental fortitude, and Stoic teachings can render us more resilient. When faced with rejection, comprehending and utilizing our emotional responses in a positive manner can be a process that fosters our personal growth. These experiences can aid in revealing our inner strength and in coping with life's challenges. Managing rejection. It is important to control emotional responses and demonstrate patience when confronted with rejection. Stoicism guides us in maintaining emotional equilibrium and assists us in managing negative emotions. Rejection experiences underscore the necessity of remaining composed and safeguarding our inner resilience. While navigating these experiences, comprehending and accepting our emotional reactions can enhance our emotional robustness. Stoic teachings can help us cultivate a healthy mental stance and adopt a positive attitude in the face of rejection. Understanding the rejection. Rejection should not diminish our self-worth, but rather be seen as an opportunity. Stoic principles enable us to approach negative situations with a positive outlook, thereby transforming rejection experiences into opportunities for growth. It is important to recognize that rejection can serve as a motivation for personal development. Learning from these experiences and gaining a better understanding of ourselves can strengthen our mental foundation. Ignoring indifference. According to Stoic philosophy, indifference should not diminish our self-worth. Instead, it should be viewed as an opportunity to preserve our inner strength. Stoicism encourages us to address indifference without being affected by the behavior of others, considering it not as an obstacle, but as an opportunity for personal growth. Maintaining composure and acting rationally in the face of indifference can help solidify our personal development on a strong foundation. Withholding emotional responses, Stoic teachings advise us to control emotional responses and maintain composure, emphasizing the importance of a healthy mental stance. When faced with rejection, Stoicism offers practical strategies for maintaining emotional balance. Managing our emotional reactions strengthens our inner resilience and fosters personal growth. Understanding and accepting these experiences are integral to supporting our personal development. Developing coping strategies for rejection. Stoic principles offer strategies for effectively managing rejection experiences. Adopting a conscious approach, remaining composed, and cultivating a positive attitude are essential when dealing with rejection. Thus, rejection can become a turning point for personal development. Developing a healthy mental stance in the face of rejection can make us more resilient and robust individuals. Reevaluating the meaning of rejection and drawing lessons. From the perspective of Stoic philosophy, rejection can be an opportunity for personal growth and development. Stoic teachings enable us to approach negative experiences in a positive light, helping us to derive lessons from these experiences and discover our inner strength. Understanding that rejection can serve as a motivation for personal development is crucial. Viewing these experiences as opportunities for transformation and growth lays a solid mental foundation. Strengthening inner strength in the face of rejection. According to Stoic philosophy, rejection experiences can help us strengthen and develop our inner strength. Stoicism suggests using our inner strength to cope with negative experiences and views rejection experiences as opportunities for personal growth. Employing practical strategies to strengthen our inner strength while addressing these experiences can build a stronger mental foundation. Reevaluating rejection and drawing lessons. Rejection can be an opportunity for personal growth and development. Stoic philosophy suggests learning from negative experiences and strengthening our inner resilience. Rejection can serve as a motivation for personal development. Learning from these experiences and growing can make us more robust and balanced individuals. Developing a positive attitude in the face of rejection. Stoic philosophy advises adopting a positive attitude to cope with negative experiences. It's important to view rejection experiences as opportunities for growth. Stoic teachings help us strengthen our inner resilience in the face of rejection. Embracing a positive attitude and seeing growth as an opportunity while addressing these experiences can lay the foundation for our personal development. Reevaluating the meaning of rejection. Rejection does not determine our self-worth. Instead, it can teach us valuable lessons. Stoic teachings enable us to approach negative experiences positively. Rejection can help us discover and develop our inner strength. Coping with and growing from these experiences is a process that supports our personal development. Strengthening inner strength in the face of rejection. Rejection experiences can help us strengthen and develop our inner resilience. Stoic philosophy suggests approaching negative experiences positively and supporting our personal development. Viewing these experiences as opportunities to strengthen our inner resilience and grow can establish a solid mental foundation. Developing coping strategies for rejection. Stoic teachings offer strategies to effectively manage rejection experiences. Remaining calm, acting rationally, and approaching negative experiences with a positive perspective are important. Understanding and accepting these experiences are processes that support our personal development. Dear Stoic Apex family, today, together, we delved into the depths of Stoic philosophy to understand, manage, and transform the power of rejection. By applying Stoic principles, we solidified rejection experiences onto a firmer mental foundation and supported our personal development. We are now better equipped not only to develop coping strategies for dealing with rejection, but also to control our emotional responses and cultivate a positive attitude. Throughout this journey, guided by Stoic philosophy, we have learned many valuable lessons. We have seen that rejection experiences can be turned into opportunities for personal growth and learning. Each rejection actually presents us with a chance to discover and develop our inner strength. And remember, when we accept that we have no control over the thoughts and actions of others, we find true freedom. As the Stoic Apex family, We are delighted to share this valuable experience with you. We pledge to always stand by your side and continue to live our lives in a more meaningful and peaceful way by delving into the depths of Stoic philosophy. As we continue on this journey, remember that we will always be here with new content. We will continue to support you in living a more balanced and peaceful life by delving into the depths of Stoicism. Finally, thank you for joining us on this beautiful journey. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. We will be delighted to see you among us. With love, the Stoic Apex family.